वेलकम टू दी अंजलि अरोड़ा टॉक शो। मैं अंजलि अरोड़ा करती हूँ आपका स्वागत द अंजलि अरोड़ा टॉक शो में। आज है सैटरडे। सैटरडे मीन्स होता है विजुअल आर्टिस्ट डे। एज यू नो कि अलग अलग विजुअल आर्टिस्ट हमारे पास आकर अपनी पैशन जर्नी शेयर करते हैं। आज का ये एपिसोड बहुत स्पेशल है, इसलिए कहूँगी ये चीज़ बिकॉज आज आप जरूर देखिएगा एंड तक ये शो। जो आज हमारे शो पर गेस्ट हैं वो है मिस्टर सदाशिव कुलकर्णी जी, जिन जो कहा जाए तो ही इज अ गाइड टू इंडियन फोक आर्ट। और जो वारली पेंटिंग्स, जो हमें बहुत कुछ नहीं पता है कि वारली पेंटिंग्स का इतिहास क्या है, किस तरह से, क्यों इस तरह से ये पेंट किया जाता है, एंड बहुत सारी चीजें इसके बारे में आपको नॉलेज मिलेगी। एंड ही इज गोइंग टू टेल अस द ओरिजिनलिटी ऑफ द इंडियन फोक आर्ट। तो प्लीज स्टे कनेक्टेड और चलिए देखते हैं उनकी शो रील।
नमस्कार मित्र हो, मी डॉक्टर गिरीश ओक। मी आज तुमच्यासमोर आलोय ते माझ्या एका मित्राशी तुमची ओळख करून द्यायला। आता माझ्या मित्रांचं नाव आहे चित्रकार सदाशिव कुलकर्णी। जगविख्यात किंवा अतिशय प्रसिद्ध अशा जे स्कूल ऑफ आर्ट या महाविद्यालयातून त्यांनी कला विषयातली पदवी घेतली। त्यानंतर त्यांची स्वतःची अशी 25 प्रदर्शनं आजपर्यंत झालेली आहेत। कला अध्यापनाचा किंवा कला शिकवण्याचा त्यांना जवळजवळ 33 वर्षाचा प्रदीर्घ अनुभव सुद्धा आहे। भारतात आणि भारताबाहेर त्यांची अनेक चित्र अनेक जणांच्या घरची शोभा वाढवत आहेत। अनेक समाजोपयोगी उपक्रम त्यांनी आजपर्यंत राबवले, खूप वेगळी कामं केली आहेत आणि त्याशिवाय ठाणे रत्न आणि सेवा रत्न या पुरस्काराने ते सन्मानित आहेत। तर माझे मित्र सदाशिव कुलकर्णी एक नवीन उपक्रम घेऊन तुमच्यासमोर होत आहेत। या उपक्रमाला माझ्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा आणि त्या उपक्रमाला तुम्ही खूप छान प्रतिसाद द्या अशी मी आशा करतो। धन्यवाद।
देखा आपने शोरील में कि सो इंटरेस्टिंग वे उन्होंने कितनी ओरिजिनलिटी के साथ वाली पेंटिंग्स ड्रॉ की है। एंड आई विल से यू गाइस कि इतने पॉजिटिव पर्सन है ये, उनसे जब मैं बात करती हूँ मुझे बहुत ही इंस्पिरेशन और पॉजिटिविटी मिलती है। तो चलिए बहुत सारे लव और बहुत सारे लाइक एंड बहुत सारी रिस्पेक्ट के साथ मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी मिस्टर सदाशिव कुलकर्णी जी को। वेलकम टू आवर शो मिस्टर सदाशिव सर। और आपका हमारे शो पर बहुत
नमस्ते।
स्वागत। हमारा सौभाग्य है कि आप हमारे शो पर हैं।
हमारा भी सौभाग्य है कि आपने मुझे इनवाइट किया एंड इट्स रियली प्लेजर टू मीट लॉट ऑफ पीपल दोज हु वांट टू नो समथिंग ऑफ आर्ट।
True, sir. Sir, I will start with that. K, as you know, the tagline of our show is "Speak Your Passion." So, how you, as you are a art teacher also, and being a teacher is a great thing. तो आपके हिसाब से आर्ट को आप कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे सर? सॉरी, आर्ट को कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे? और ऑब्वियसली आई विल आल्सो ऐड टू दिस क्वेश्चन कि आप इसको पैशन के साथ कैसे रिलेट करेंगे?
पैशन इज देयर इनसाइड यू ऑलवेज, राइट फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग। मेरा पैशन था पहले जब मैंने 5 रुपया कमाया था। महाराष्ट्र स्टेट आर्ट कंपटीशन यूज्ड टू बी handled in all over Maharashtra. So I got 5 rupees prize. That was the first prize in 70s, and that 5 rupees has given me a lot of courage to say yes, I am an artist. So thereafter, in every house, in Ekadashi, I have to draw uh, Pandurang, I have to draw
अच्छा,
Lakshmi for Diwali. I have to go to houses and houses one after the other, and they used to pay me whatever they can. They used to feed me with sweets. So
अच्छा,
I'm diabetic now. And from there it started. Passion is within you. It has to be nourished by somebody or that. And then you grow. grow with that passion. Yes, I'm an artist. Be it a number plate on the new scooter of my neighborhood, that fellow comes, you only write.
Okay.
Be it a nameplate for him, be it a temple om behind God, everything goes, and don't say no to anything. That's my principle right from beginning. And as an introduction, I'll tell you, my father retired when I passed out 10th standard. After
Okay.
that, I had to join the art college because my uncle wanted me to be an artist
Okay.
throughout his life. He struggled for that. And he
Uh,
used to go to the barber's place. He used to tell the barber also, he is drawing so good. So in the barber shop also, I remember I have drawn something for him.
Oh.
And everywhere I was flourished and nourished by people that he is an artist. Why? Because I used to say no to, I used to deny saying no to anything. And that's where we are working. And right till now, everywhere, uh, my art speaks. And when I came into the college, my father said, "No, I'm not going to pay you anymore. Now you have to earn and learn."
Acha.
So, so I was a dudwala.
Oh.
In my early collegehood, I
Mm-hmm.
was milking a colony,
Mm-hmm.
and there I learned something very good. Dudwala gives a good uh, amount of milk and a little more.
Yeah.
Uh, चार चार नाप का है तो ठीक है, you give, but little more he used to give. That was giving a blink in the eyes of the customer. Yes,
Acha.
ये लड़का कुछ ज्यादा देता है.
ज़्यादा देता है.
So that little more is paying you more,
Right.
always, always. And that is the satisfactory thing I have learned during my college education also. Little more, little more. जितना भी देना चाहते हैं ठीक है. Suppose some colony holder, some society people, they are giving you some work. उसमें भी किसी का एक का नेम प्लेट बना दो, थोड़ा सा अच्छा अलग सा. So that little more pays you for the entire society of 100 people.
Oh.
Everybody gives you that work. That
What
kind of thing.
you have said, sir, a little more brings you more. Actually, ये
Yes,
आपने अच्छी एडवाइस दी है. आई एम श्योर ऑडियंस को भी ये स्टेटमेंट, बिकॉज इट इज ट्रू. हम लोग अगर एक थोड़ा सा अपन अपनी तरफ से एक्स्ट्रा दिखाएं, द पीपल विल लाइक, हाँ, ही इज डूइंग द वर्क फ्रॉम द हार्ट एक्चुअली.
yes, yes. And then during college time, I used to work in the evenings also
ओके.
for sculptors and for people those who are working on buckets, all that. So everywhere I used to work somehow or the other and get some money to save and spend on my papers, colors, everything. And that was very, very costly during that time also.
राइट.
So I used to earn at least 40 rupees a day in 1972 or 73. Somebody told me that from the colony or societies, people are asking you some work or the other. If you give little more to a person or somebody,
राइट.
इनका name plate, that name plate gives you so much more that returns back. That 100 people will definitely give you that kind of work. Yes, मेरा भी करा.
राइट सर.
So little more if you give, you get much more, and that is the important part of it.
राइट. व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल थिंग यू हैव सेड सर, कि अ लिटिल मोर गिव्स यू मोर. एंड जैसे कि आपने कहा कि एक अपनी तरफ से एफर्ट लगता है लोगों को कि द पर्सन इज वर्किंग फ्रॉम योर हार्ट, फ्रॉम हिज हार्ट. इफ समवन इज
That that is a milkman which is talking from my heart.
गिविंग. Sir, also I will ask you कि how it turned, like you said that art is your passion. So how it turned to be like growing? किस तरह से ये और बढ़ा आपकी लाइफ में?
ऐसे ही बढ़ता गया from the scooters named plate, as I told you, till big Tejrath at Sahar airport.
Okay.
It was 23 feet by 19 feet. 7
अच्छा.
horses rath which I made. I had to take a place in Goregaon. From there, I had to sculpt the entire thing, mold it into fiberglass, and then it was transported to the airport with all those norms of security and top security. And so from scooters nameplate of my neighborhood to international airport Mumbai, it was a great achievement.
Right, sir. True.
For showing 7 horses of a very big area, 13 feet by 17 feet by 23 feet. It was
Okay.
very big area, and it was with the basic idea of sun, which is there in India. The same sun is going to be enlightening you when you are going to learn in US or whichever country you go.
Right.
Everywhere in the globe, you will see the same sun. So sun
True.
is an inspiration for everywhere, and he is there always with you. Yavaschandra Divakarau, your knowledge will be increasing. So that was the assurance given by India on
Okay.
the Sahar airport. From there, they leave India, go to other states, other countries. For them, this was done. And I think from there, I didn't keep any record. Actually, the photographs also are lost now. My passion is doing it.
Right.
When the cameraman takes a photograph,
Uh,
the moment when you take click, that clicking moment is important. After that, what you have done, what you have not done, that
uh,
goes away. Your
yeah.
next moment has to be important. You have to think over that, not the past or even for the future. Live
True.
life king size right now. So
Right.
do big things. For that, I did that, and it has been appreciated by lots of people.
Okay.
Every day, you know how many people are going, how many people are coming. Uh,
Right.
and
So how about what are your views on Indian folk art? You are a guide to Indian folk art. What do you say about it?
yeah, Indian folk arts are handled by lot many classes owners, and they are misguiding, or they are just deviating their mind from the originality. Suppose
Okay.
Varli is there. I can we take only one thing and then we'll go ahead. When you have time, you do the Varli painting. And if you want to decorate little more, take
Uh,
Madhubani in this, mix match. And that mix match is deriving the motto of our Varlis. Varlis are just simple.
huh.
Madhubani is little decorative.
Huh.
And
Right.
even Mandana is engineering part of it.
Okay.
Mandana has a geometrical part. Geometry in folk art is innumerous examples we can get. That can be another episode than on geometry in folk arts, Indian folk arts.
Okay.
Geometry is used everywhere where we did not have instruments.
Right.
Without instruments, with the strings, we used to calculate the entire circle. We used to calculate the parts of it, and all the parts are filled in properly. That is also important, that what is the forte of Warlis, what is the forte of Madhubani, what is the forte of Mandana, and miniatures, and lot of other things. So 13, 15 folk art, we have to go deep into it, learn about it, and stick to only the original part of it. Don't mix Mandana, Warli, Gond, and Madhubani all together. उसमें
Okay.
मजा नहीं आता.
Right. Originality नहीं रहती है.
And this is originality नहीं आती है, and then it becomes something different.
Okay.
My thing is it should be मनभावन.
मनभावन.
मनभावन, मन को जो अच्छा लगता है वो अच्छा ही होता है. अच्छा बुरा हमारा मन समझता है, not eyes, not ear, not only the tongue. But
Right.
अच्छा बुरा स्मेल हो या गाना हो या खाना हो या कुछ देखना हो, अच्छा बुरा सब में है. अच्छा तो समझता है, बुरा तो कभी कभी लगता है कि ये नहीं अच्छा है. तो stick to the original part of it and don't go away from it. Don't mix and match. Regarding Warli, I'll talk to you about villages first. Geographical part of it.
Okay.
It's a part which is joining towards Gujarat
Okay.
at the end of Maharashtra, the upper part of Maharashtra.
Okay.
Sometimes Gujarat nowadays is saying Warli is originally Gujarati.
अच्छा.
That is their motto. That is their way of doing it. चलो ठीक है, ये आपका है, ले लो. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. People those who are staying there, they are having a very special area of choosing. Aryans had come in India because they wanted to grow. They wanted to stay, live.
Right.
तो village में क्या होता? They used to find their habitat near the water. Always. We all are doing that. Where water is there, we'll
Right.
stay there. And then they go in for jungle, they go in for samruddhi. Samruddhi is in jungle water you get fruits or anaj, whatever. All those things, they are important next to that. First, water. Water should be drinkable water, not sea water. But they try to find कि 8-10 किलोमीटर में है, we can go walk, bring drinking water. But there is white sand here, white mountains are there.
Right.
So inside the water also, when you go dive into the water, you get some hilly portion should be. And in that hilly portion, because of the force of water, they had found holes in the hilly portion. The stones are carved because of the force of water. From there, you can also go through the part. And from here to there, when you go, the fishes have the habit. Then you can catch the fishes there. They have the idea of such kind of thing. So their food is coming from there. Their food is coming from the water and habitat and surrounding. So important part is what they have chosen. They have chosen the right place to stay on. But in the same village, if you ask some old people, they are staying there. But अरे म्हातारे तुझा मुलगा, तुम्हारा सन कहाँ गया, बच्चा कहाँ गया? वो बच्चा कहाँ गया? वो जीने को गया. जीने के लिए क्यों जाना चाहिए? घर में है, घर में रह सकता है. नहीं, यहाँ रहेगा तो मर जाएगा. क्योंकि in the rainy season they have crabs, they have reptiles. All those animals will come in and that fellow, even if he's sitting, I went and I sat over there in their house. They provided a chair, wooden broken chair, and I had to sit with both legs up on the chair.
Okay.
And throughout the night,
Hmm.
you can't sleep. When you
Acha.
sleep, rep- reptiles and snakes will
All from
go
your.
through onto you. हाँ, पैर के ऊपर से निकल जाते हैं. They
Okay.
are staying with their animals inside the house. They don't keep their um, cows and goats outside because
Acha.
outside there is a big threat.
Mhm.
Tigers and big animals will come and eat them.
Okay.
So they have to keep them inside. तो उन लोग को सबको घर पे अगर मेहमान आया मेरे जैसा तो आके आप अंदर ही सो जाइए हमारे साथ. तो
अच्छा.
एक ही रूम में हम लोग एनिमल्स और हम लोग सब साथ में सोते हैं.
हाँ.
पैर पैसे कुछ गुजर गया वो समझ में आता. दैट इज अ बिग स्नेक
अरे बाबा.
and they need not stay on the ground.
अच्छा.
See, if I'm sitting on the chair throughout the night, I'm scared of those snakes.
हाँ.
And
Obvious.
the same time, he is coming from the roof. Suppose
Oh.
one snake comes here and from the roof, you need not be on the ground. From the roof also, zap, right? You should be just steady. You should not trouble them, and you can live there also throughout the night. But you cannot sleep, and
Obviously.
that is the experience you should take. That is the experience you should take. In anywhere in the village, I'm now coming out of the single house. I'm coming out of the village. Village is having 5-10 houses, maximum 10 houses.
Right.
That is the village. So outside the village, they have two gods.
Okay.
One is Mariai. Mariai. Mariai is a bent kind of lady.
Okay.
You can see in my some other video. Um she is a bent lady with a bent stick in her hand, hair
Okay.
also not done,
Uh-huh.
and everywhere they put the dots.
Mm-hmm.
And those dots are flies and insects. All those insects can come in with Mariai and they will kill you inside the house.
Okay.
Even if you are sitting inside the house having something, the insects are definitely bringing something from outside, which will definitely bring you some sickness or the other, and there are chances to die. So the people, the younger ones, are supposed to go in the cities nearby
True.
to live. जगायला जाने. So you
हाँ.
have to go to live. जिंदा रहने के लिए वो बाहर जाए.
हाँ जी.
घर गांव सब छोड़ के. And then he has to bring the money. He brings the money and some they celebrate the ceremony.
हाँ.
Celebrate the ceremony is what? ये गांव का एक लड़की ये गांव की एक लड़का शादी करते. Ceremony. So in that Warli tradition, हमारे में Bengalis and even Gujaratis, Maharashtrians, everybody, everywhere in India, we give the dowry to the bridegroom. लड़के के लिए डाउरी जाती है.
Great. हाँ.
डाउरी नहीं तो आजकल पैसा पैसा नहीं तो कुछ चीजें जाती हैं. कार जाएगी, स्कूटर जाएगी, दिस दैट. बट हियर in only Warli community, लड़का gives dowry to the लड़की.
अच्छा.
हाँ, he has to give 1100 rupees, he has to give 7,000 rupees, whatever.
Okay.
to them. So they create a big mandap with 9 pillars.
Okay.
Navari.
No.
नवरी is 9 pillars. 9
Okay.
pillars की एक मंडप वो बनेगी एंड उसके अंदर ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा, दाल राइस खाएंगे, बट उसके पहले जितना हो सकता है उतना पिएंगे.
अच्छा.
They have to have a drink barrels. 200 liters का एक एक बैरल भरा हुआ है.
अच्छा.
Even the girls, ladies, the brides, the mother, and all relatives, they drink as much they want. For 3 days, they will lie down there only. For that, the bridegroom gives the money to them.
Okay.
The bridegroom provides everything to them.
Mm-hmm.
They have to provide. So, nowadays, it has been removed from there. थोड़ा शांति आ गया. दारू मत पियो, दारू पीने से तकलीफ होता है. 3 दिन तो तुम लोग सोते रहते हो. शादी क्या होगी? तो शादी भी तो वैसे ही कोई कोई एक गिर जाता है, वो कुछ बोल के जाता है, ठीक है, हो गया, हमारा तो पीना चालू है. वो नवरी का मंडप जो है ना, वो 9 पिलर्स का होता है. दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. वो हल्दी जो है, हल्दी का सेरेमनी जो है, उसके लिए तारपा बजा के तारपा डांस करते हैं.
अच्छा.
We are still now into Warli festivals. Tarpa dance, making of tarpa is totally different. Making of tarpa is very interesting thing, that you have to grow gold, that is
अच्छा.
dudi.
हाँ.
वो छत पे जाता है. क्रीपर गोज ऑन द रूफ.
राइट.
तो वहां से वो निकालने के लिए उसको पहले ग्रो करते हैं, जैसे बकरा बड़ा बड़ा के आखिरी में काटते हैं.
हाँ.
ये इसको भी ऐसे ही है. बड़ा करके अच्छा उसको शेप बराबर दे के उसके लिए अरेंजमेंट करके उसको फिर काटते हैं. उसको अंदर से पोकल कर देते हैं. उसको सुखाते हैं. पूरा दिन सन में सुखाते हैं. एंड देन they create that instrument, and that instrument is so sweet.
ओके.
It is good for everybody, and they keep on dancing on that throughout the night.
अच्छा.
If you are drunk, means everybody over there, they are drunk. It, they do dance it very well there also. Protection.
अच्छा.
I have a lady whom I don't know. I have a lady on the other side whom I don't know. Besides her, there is another boy, there is another old man, whoever. All of them, one boy, one girl, one boy, one girl, holds each other. कमर में पकड़ते हैं to be together and they dance together.
राइट.
इसमें कोई भी वल्गर नहीं है, कोई भी वल्गरनेस नहीं है. There is a feeling of protection.
हाँ.
The lady also is very safe, and she says, अगर ये दो लड़के मुझे पकड़ रहे हैं, so they are protecting me.
That
And
so, and as you're saying, that's true कि फीमेल्स में ये सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी क्वालिटी होती है. दे कैन रिकॉग्नाइज द गुड एंड द बैड टच. तो वो उनको वैसा
yes,
फील नहीं.
that
दैट इज अ प्रोटेक्ट.
that is important. And for Warli villages, they all carry this message everywhere, and they dance. Their dance is with masks also.
अच्छा.
They create the mask for their face, that is called Bohara. Bohara is another festival. Another festival you can play it anywhere. And Bohara has mask. So you don't have your identity.
अच्छा.
Your identity is relieved from the mask.
हाँ.
Just because of the mask, we don't know who is Anjali, who is Sadashiv. Everybody says it is a mask. So that अद्वैत, वो कोई दूसरा है, वो कोई है, वो हमारा ही है। जो अपनापन है ना, वो मास्क में होता है।
ओके।
तो मॉडर्न मॉडर्न जमाने में भी मास्क डांस आपने देखा हो, वहां भी ऐसा ही होता है, आइडेंटिटी रिमूव कर। मैं मेरापन, जो मैं अपनापन जो जताता हूँ, मैं कुछ हूँ, मैं कुछ नहीं हूँ, ये मास्क से निकल जाता है। दैट इज कॉल्ड बोहाड़ा। यहाँ यहाँ हाँ, यहाँ अपनापन कुछ नहीं, अपना खुद का कुछ नहीं, मैं मेरा मेरी कुछ नहीं, ये सब निकल जाता है। दैट इज देयर। एंड देन डाउरी का तो आज मैंने बता दिया आपको। दिस इज हाउ दे progress in their life.
ओके।
When you have to die, when you have to die, that is because of Mariai, all the insects and things which are bad. Plague जब भी आया था, so she had a lot of rats around. Because of the rats, people have died. And one more god, which is called Vagya.
वाग्या।
Vagya
ओके।
is a very हाँ, वाघ। वो बाघ जो होता है, बाघ का एक छोटा सा उसका सिंबल बना के गांव के बाहर कर, तो उसको वर्शिप करो,
ओके।
तो अंदर नहीं आएगा, गांव में आके मेरे बच्चे को उठा के नहीं लेके जाएगा।
ओके।
खाए न खाए, लेकिन मेरे बच्चे को उठा के नहीं लेके जाएगा।
अच्छा।
तो when they showed a lady which is going up on the coconut tree, she ties a child behind her
या।
along with all other things. She ties a child, and the child enjoys behind, because he is able to see the entire world from the top of the coconut tree, while his mother is on the top, but she is very busy cutting the coconut from there, doing some work or the other. But she has to concentrate on that work, but she cannot ignore her child.
ट्रू।
Child is not safe down there.
या।
So she has to tie that child, and उस बच्चे को लेके वो ऊपर जाती है, लेकिन ऊपर जाने के बाद में वो क्या करती है, वो उसको दुनिया दिखाती है।
सही।
हमारे पिताजी ने जब हमको जत्रा में दिखाया, यात्रा जो होती है गांव में, 4-5 गांव की एक जत्रा होती है, वहां पे जाके उनको भी नहीं दिखाई देता है वो जमीरा क्या कर रहे हैं। जमूरा जमीरा ऐसा कुछ, वो मंकी वाला होता है, कभी आदमी लोग होते हैं। तो वो क्या कर रहा है दिखाने के लिए, पिताजी ने हमको उठा के कंधे पे लिया। So he was not able to see, but I have seen that what Jamura is doing. So that is the way all the Warli children have seen the entire world behind mother's back, safely tied to the stomach, and the mother is busy doing her work. And that is the importance of being together but safely. There I remembered that zap, एक जो snake आता है, snakehood comes in front of you. Even if you are sitting on the chair thinking that you are safe, you are not safe anywhere.
ट्रू।
You are not safe, but you have to take care of yourself every moment there. उनका वारली का मरना जो है, वो हर पल लिखा हुआ है,
अच्छा।
हर पल लिखा हुआ, but still they survive on that. And that is the story which I want to tell everybody. In Warli, so many things are there. Their festivals and this and that is okay, but making the brush for drawing Warli painting, that is also very important. वो बाम्बू शूट्स जो हम लोग अभी चाइनीज में खाते हैं उसको अजीनोमोटो लगा के,
हाँ हाँ
वो जो बैम्बू शूट्स हैं उसमें ब्रिस्टल्स रहते हैं छोटे छोटे,
अच्छा
वो होता है उनका ब्रश। वो
ओके
विंसन न्यूटन से भी बड़ा है। विंसन न्यूटन का सबसे वर्ल्ड में फेमस एकदम जो कुछ भी है ब्रश ब्रश कंपनी, उससे भी ये ब्रश बहुत अच्छा, because they get a point all the time.
ट्रू
Bamboo shoots have a tendency to come together and lastly they give you only point. तो ऐसी सब चीजें हैं। आपको अभी जो पूछना चाहिए कुछ, मैंने
सर
बहुत
बहुत
बहुत ज्यादा बोल दिया।
नहीं सर, बहुत ये आपने जो ये नॉलेज दिया है सर, बहुत जनों को नहीं पता है एक्चुअली में। बिकॉज हम सोचते हैं कि वारली पेंटिंग मीन्स ऐसे जिस तरह से हम देखते रहते हैं, बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट जो उस बारे में नोन है, दे आर नोन, बट द स्टोरी बिहाइंड दिस मैं तो पहली बार सुन रही हूँ। एंड आई एम श्योर ऑडियंस में भी हमारी बहुत जने होंगी जिन्हें ये पता ही नहीं होगा। तो हमें बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा
नहीं
है,
नहीं,
आपने बोला लेकिन नॉलेजेबल, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है हमें सुनकर।
आपको जो पूछना है पूछ लीजिए, अभी क्वेश्चन आंसर का टाइम हो गया है, तो आप
सर
पूछिए कुछ भी।
मैं जरूर पूछूंगी कि आप जो आप जैसे आपने कहा कि मिक्स मैच मत करो चीजें, तो आपका मॉडर्न आर्ट के बारे में क्या पॉइंट है सर?
मॉडर्न आर्ट के लिए एक ही चीज है कि ये मुझे नहीं समझता है तो मैं क्यों क्यों जाऊं, वो मत कीजिए। आप
अच्छा
जाइए वहां देखिए उसका मीनिंग ढूंढिए, बिकॉज इट इज नॉट सपोज टू बी एक्सप्लेन्ड।
true,
It's a repercussion of the artist's mind. Suppose I draw straight line, I
हाँ
draw straight line all over the canvas,
हाँ
but the other person who comes there, he will see it this way, टेढ़ा होके अगर देखेगा, he will see the lines diagonal, he will see something different.
डिफरेंस
See, if I'm showing a red color on the canvas and somebody gets very pleased, ah क्या beautiful है,
हाँ
you know what it is, you know, everybody should know कि it is a juxtaposition. Juxtaposition, I'll explain you what. Suppose you take a अगरबत्ती,
हाँ
अपना अगरबत्ती जो incense stick,
हाँ
and just roll around your face.
ओके
Look at that. Then close the eyes. What you
अच्छा
see? Agarbatti is red
हाँ
actually, but what lines you see, you can experience anytime. You must have experienced so many times, but you have not noticed it.
हाँ
That is green. What you
ओके
see when you close your eyes, that is green. When
अच्छा
you look at the sun, yellow sun, and close your eyes, you will see violet, lavender color. It's so beautiful. And
अच्छा
that color is there in your bedroom. In the entire bedroom, if you have, that the entire bedroom gives you a feeling of warmth, richness, richness of a sunlight. It's a very big thing. That philosophy comes in that.
हाँ
So never underestimate any modern art or something. Go see deep into it. If you have time, sit there, talk to the art piece, be it a sculpture, be it whatever, but you need not bother about it. You just see, read it, talk to the uh, painting or sculpture, whatever, and you will come to know you are getting immense pleasure out of it. That is important. That you should think of when you go to the art galleries.
हाँ
Now, after listening to this, you will definitely find you are changed.
एक्चुअली
That's what I
पॉइंट
feel.
राइट Sir, right, but as you are saying that we should not underestimate, of course, we should not underestimate the change it comes, as you said, that change is constant. So, what do you think? What is
Change is
your point?
constant.
What is your point of view about this statement? That every time there should be something new.
Yes. As I told you, the camera clicking time is your time.
Yeah.
बाकी सब झूठ है. बाकी सब झूठ है. So I believe in the philosophy of uh, the interest, the constant touch. उसके लिए जो लगती है वो बैठक. समझो 4 घंटा लगने वाला है तो 4 घंटा ही लगने वाला है. 2 घंटे में खत्म करके नहीं होने वाला. So एक प्रोसेस का टाइम जो है that has to be given to it. And important thing is your puja. Puja is such. I'll tell you the experience about it. One of my guru in Belgaum, KB Kulkarni, he had a get together, not a class. Always he used to have a get together.
अच्छा.
And get together में हम लोग बातें करते थे.
Okay.
And then he used to tell us lot of things. He was a philosopher. He was not only the artist, he was deep, good artist. He was very nice artist. But उनके पास जाने के पहले एक लड़का तुरंत ऐसा दोपहर के टाइम पे आ गया. और सर मैं 2-3 दिन नहीं आने वाला. क्या क्या हुआ? नहीं आने वाला है. इंटरेस्ट खत्म हो गया? नहीं. काम तो करना है लेकिन घर में पूजा है.
अच्छा.
बाबू इधर आ, इधर आ. ये जो तू कर रहा है वो भी तो पूजा नहीं है.
हाँ.
कला की पूजा है. कला की पूजा है. वो करने के लिए आना ही चाहिए. रोज करना चाहिए. So that is the philosophy which I believe in.
Okay.
हाँ, ये जो कर रहा है वो पूजा नहीं है क्या? वो पूजा है. पूजा.
हाँ.
So always something new. ये एक हो गया, then you go into the next one. The next one is a change. There you should discover something, and that is very important. Discovering something from big animals, from small animals, the nature. Nature has so much around you, so you can. For recently 2-3 days I was out in the jungle. Food का पता नहीं, खाने का पता नहीं, but gives you everything you can. But जंगल में जाके रहो तो समझ में आता है कि still at this age you can survive very well. आपने कुछ और पूछा था शायद. Anything else you enjoy? That's what I
Yes.
enjoy.
Yeah. What else you enjoy?
Enjoying mountains, enjoying a very difficult climate around you, or unwarranted things around you. Bring it to you. Bring it to you. Suppose if you go to Amarnath, 14,000 feet away. I don't have a story. It's a real incident which has happened with me.
Okay.
I had been almost 10,000 feet on top. From there, a lady on the horse, she had to get down because only horse could go.
अच्छा.
So she got down and she told me, थोड़ा मदद करो ऊपर जाने की. And there was a water coming down. Some stones were there. From there, we had to walk.
Okay.
So I helped her, and she went up. She got her horse, and somehow I slept from there. Now here, the Indian military, paramilitary, border force, all those are coming together. They have tied the ropes. 3 steps ropes are there, one after the other. Wire ropes, you can catch hold of it. at the height of 1100 feet,
Okay.
11,000 feet.
Oh,
From there, if you, they have, first only they have told us कि कोई गिर गया तो 2 फूल डालो, आपको नाखून भी नहीं मिलने वाला। तो नीचे तक जाते जाते सब, लेकिन द मिलिट्री ने वो जो रोप्स लगा के रखे थे उनको हाथ पकड़ के मैं लटक गया, बस
अच्छा।
हो गया। अब वो यहाँ से ऊपर जाने के लिए रास्ता, वो क्या करूं?
हाँ।
मे बी इट्स 5-6 years back, but I was waiting for someone to help me pick up.
हाँ.
But that time I had seen only the feet,
Okay.
military shoes wala. That fellow had come 1, 2, 3 steps I could hear, and he pulled me up, thrown me on the road.
अच्छा.
From there I could walk.
हाँ.
But I could not even see that fellow. He just went running for the next person who is falling. तो उसके लिए उन्होंने वो फोर्स जो रखा हुआ है ना, hats off to and salam to our military people. Everybody is doing all that, and this is the survival from there. I'm talking, they are made for it and they are doing it for you. So that is the biggest thing. Biggest nature can kill you. Biggest nature in human being is a heart.
Right, sir.
That cannot let you die. That cannot let you die. And that's how you should live your this moment. You should not go in for future or past. जाने दो, मैंने ये किया, मैंने वो किया है, वो सब फोटोग्राफ वगैरह रखने का मैं आदी नहीं। मैं आज का देखता हूँ, आज का करने का है, चलो करिए। And this is how people have to do. We should not expect people to do what we do, but we should expect them, we should tell them that आज का जिंदगी जियो, ठीक है,
Live
but
the moment.
next moment you have to think of something new,
Right.
something new, that too little more. वो
Yeah.
जो दूध वाले ने सिखाया, little more and something new which is supposed to be in front of you.
Mhm.
And take any task, don't say no to anything.
Right.
बिल्डिंग के ऊपर अगर माउंटेन बनाना है, बना सकते हैं, क्यों नहीं? बिल्डिंग के ऊपर एयरपोर्ट बनाना है, बना सकते हैं, क्यों नहीं? 500 स्क्वायर फुट की लू बना सकते हैं। 500 स्क्वायर फुट हमको रहने को नहीं मिलता है, बट 500 स्क्वायर फुट की सिर्फ लू बना सकते हैं जहाँ आनंद ले सकते हैं। दैट ऑल्सो इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट,
Right.
which is supposed to be carpeted, nicely done.
Mm-hmm.
इंटीरियर वालों ने ये सिखाया। I forgot to tell you that I did interior designing from this school of art. Then I went for a better option in textile designing. It was National Diploma in Textile Designing in VZTI.
Okay.
After that also I didn't get a job. I used to get some short job, 2 months, 3 months ka job.
अच्छा.
When I went to Surat, I designed so many things, but there also finding something new. I had very big sari size,
Okay.
5.5 मीटर का सारी साइज का टैंक, and
Okay.
I did all that layer painting in the water, and on the water the sari has to be dipped.
अच्छा.
Those Rajkumar Mills and Magdalla Mills and all those people, they were very happy about this. इतना करने का, चलो आप कर दीजिए।
हाँ.
वो एक स्टिक लेके आजू बाजू में घूम के जो भी कलर चाहिए करके, पानी को भी सॉफ्ट करके, बहुत कुछ करना पड़ता है। तो वो सब कुछ करने के बाद में इतना आनंद मिलता है ना, दैट मोमेंट वाज इम्पोर्टेंट, बाकी
Right.
कुछ नहीं, ये सब झूठ है।
as a teacher, like you are having experience of 33 years of teaching art, so how is your
Yeah.
experience about से कुछ आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे अपनी जर्नी से?
Teaching is not a profession. Teaching, what I have done for 33 years, is zero.
अच्छा.
I used to get it only for money. ठीक है, महीने का पगार आता है, सिखा दीजिए. But according to me, teaching is not supposed to be there at all.
अच्छा.
It should be learning.
True.
It should be learning. The student has to receive and they have to learn from you. You need not be like this.
हाँ.
The student has to be like this. He is picking up from you.
हाँ.
Just giving something to somebody cannot remain here. If somebody is picking up something from you, it will remain here in this pinch.
What a
So
thought, sir.
teaching is not supposed to be there. It should be learning. Teach and learn. What is important? Learn. So you have to learn. The students have to be maybe उनको थोड़ा सा मोटिवेट करना पड़ता है,
हाँ.
या तो उनको अपने हैसियत से हम लोग कैसे बने वो दिखाना पड़ता है, थोड़ा, लेकिन वो they won't listen to you. They have to learn from you. For that, teaching is not supposed to be there. That I've learned from my teaching after 33 years. It should be learning. Whatever it is, art, history हो या कुछ भी, it should be learning. अगर learn करके जाता है तो वो top में पहुंच जाए. Can be anything.
So what message you want to give to the other artists, maybe the Indian folk artists, or many artists come to our show, so we want a new, मतलब inspirational message from you.
Keep exploring and always anew.
Yeah.
Lastly, little more.
Yeah.
That is
Little,
important. So
that
चलिए
little more.
जाइए, आगे चले जाइए.
Now,
Definitely.
little more had strike in my mind. Now I means every time I will think about this little more. Actually, man.
Yes. And lockdown period also, I did not stop.
Okay.
On phone, I used to feed people. So many people used to call कि सर हमारे यहाँ अनाज नहीं है,
अच्छा.
हमारे यहाँ कोई आता नहीं है. तो बड़े ऑफिसर्स को, मिनिस्टर्स को, किसी को फोन करके उनका इंतजाम करना, वो घर में बैठ के,
अच्छा.
बाहर जाके कोविड योद्धा जैसा कुछ काम नहीं किया, लेकिन घर में बैठ के फोन पे काम बहुत कुछ किया है. और जो भी कर सकते हैं वो घर में बहुत किया. और इंटरनेट पे पुराने मित्रों को कॉल करके उनका एक सम्मेलन करके
अच्छा.
एक जूम मीटिंग किया, कोई व्हाट्सएप मीटिंग किया. दे फेल्ट इट सो गुड. अरे तूने ये इनिशिएट किया, वो अच्छा किया.
Right.
हम कितने सालों बाद मिले, 40 साल बाद हम लोग मिले, जो 10th स्टैंडर्ड में 73 के उधर थे,
Okay.
सब लोग एक साथ में मिले. उसके बाद में लॉकडाउन में ऐसा बैठा नहीं रहा, बैठ के कुछ नहीं मिला. So many things are there, you can go ahead with. Always a new, keep exploring and थोड़ा सा जाए. बस उतना ही कह के मैं आपकी आज्ञा लेना चाहता हूँ. आप जैसे आपको और कुछ पूछना है तो पूछिए.
हाँ सर, मैं जैसे हमारे पास, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा कि काफी आर्टिस्ट आते हैं, मगर आपके जैसे एक्सपीरियंस, आई विल से आई एम रियली ऑनर्ड टू टॉक टू यू. तो सर मैं आपसे जरूर पूछना चाहूंगी कि आपको हमारे शो पर आकर कैसा फील हो रहा है?
नहीं, बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, क्योंकि आपके पीछे एक ऑरा लग रहा है कि यू आर रीचिंग आउट टू पीपल इज मोर देन व्हाट वी आर सिक्लूडेड. एक बाजू में बैठ के एक्सपीरियंस लेके उसका आनंद लेते हैं. किसी को कुछ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं, किसी को कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं। यह जरूरत नहीं की बात नहीं है। आप जैसे लोग चाहिए कि जो रीचिंग आउट टू पीपल होते हैं, और वो होना चाहिए। आजकल बच्चे सीखेंगे नहीं जब तक उनको ऐसे सीखने वाला कोई मिले। मैं
True, sir.
सिखाने वाले की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, सिखाने वाले नहीं चाहिए। I'm not against them. I'm not against the schools and colleges, but there also this process has to grow. Learning, they should learn. So वो उसको लेके अगर हम लोग साथ में जाएंगे तो art and science together can go. Somewhere art is separated, science is separated, and science and art together if comes, it can give a
True.
big fountain.
True.
Can give a big.
Thank you so
I
much.
hope you liked it. Thank you.
Yeah, sir, I loved it. Sir, thank you.
Thank you very much.
आपकी इतनी अच्छी 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 बातें और आपका इतना एक्सपीरियंस आपने हमारे साथ शेयर किया इन अ डिफरेंट वे, द वे विच वी हैव नेवर थॉट ऑफ एक्चुअली. तो
Experience of last 40 years
या
with Awarlis, I wanted to share, and I could get the chance because of you. So I'm sharing this. बाकी आज तक किसी से बात नहीं की है.
तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग ऑन आवर शो, और मैं आपका दिल से
Thank you.
धन्यवाद कि आपने हमारे साथ शेयर किया.
Thank you.
थैंक यू सर. आपकी बातें बहुत ही अमेजिंग और बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग है. जो आपका एक्सपीरियंस है, आपकी लाइफ जर्नी है, ट्रूली अप्रिशिएबल. और रियली जो आपने वाली पेंटिंग के बारे में जो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, जो स्टोरी हमें बताई है, आई एम श्योर बहुत जनों को नहीं पता था, मुझे तो नहीं पता था. एंड आई हैव लर्न मेनी थिंग्स. जैसे कि आपने कहा, टीचिंग इज नॉट अ टीचिंग, इज अबाउट लर्निंग ऑल्सो. सर थैंक यू सो मच कि आपने इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें हमारी शो पर की. सो गाइस, जो एक लिटिल मोर का फंडा था, प्लीज अपनी लाइफ में अपना लीजिए. जैसे ही आप किसी के लिए कुछ करते हैं, उसमें एक लिटिल मोर वाला टच ऐड करने से इट विल क्रिएट अ अमेजिंग इफेक्ट. तो चलिए जाती हूँ मैं. फिर से मिलेंगे हम अगले एपिसोड में. बाय बाय.